How to get Uber Eats promo code and redeem some free food. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you will be able to get Uber Eats promo code. So go ahead, open your web browser and search for Uber Eats promo code. Then select the option as shown on the screen. Once you are on this page, you will see various coupons such as $15, $20 offer and so on. So go ahead and select the coupon that you want to use. Tap on the option of View Coupon to show more details about that coupon, or you can also choose the option that says Show More. Once you do that, you will see the extra details related to that coupon. Simply copy it and visit the Uber Eats website to redeem this promo code. You can also use this promo code directly from the website, and by the following steps you will be able to enjoy the discount on Uber Eats and get heavy discounts. So that's it. That's how you will be able to get Uber Eats promo code and redeem some free foods. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.